everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam, this is my jam. If you watch my Saturday video, which is going up today, I look the same as I did then, only a little more harried. Today is normally a cleaning day, laundry day, everything else, thus my hair's up, everything, but I had a package come today. I've been trying to do more unboxings, like reveals more so than unboxings, so people don't have to just watch me open my packages. I'm not sure how much people like to see that, but today I bought something wildly out of my comfort zone that just arrived. I've never seen one before. I've never seen one reviewed before, although I didn't look very hard. This is definitely an older bag. I want to say from the 2000s maybe. I'd have to look, but there was something about this bag. I love the price, and it's from Fashionphile, and there was something about it that just, as soon as I saw it, it got me, and I'm like, I need to buy it. I need to buy this bag. I hope I like it. I hope it doesn't stink. And like I said, I'm like, Winnie BLV always talks about when she buys stuff and then she gets it and it's so much smaller than she thought or whatever. Well, that's kind of this one. I know the sizes are listed, but, I didn't really check how big that would be. And sometimes I know some of the things on Fashionphile I see and they're a good price are actually just huge bags. And then I'm like, oh, thank God, they showed them holding it. Well, this one, no one was holding. So, anyways, I just wanted to do a true unboxing so that if I do not like it, you'll know. No pretending, no nothing. So, I've taken my tags off. I am ripping the last bit of it open. It is from Fashionphile. Confetti. Flies out of the box before you even open it. Okay. So, here is some packaging. I'm going to just see if it says in here the year on my little receipt here. Let's see what this is. Okay. All right. Okay. No, it doesn't say the year on here, but I want to say it was the early 2000s or the 90s even. I'll put it in the description box below. I'll look it up. But we got the nice little packaging like you're getting luxury here. Hope you guys okay, so this did not come with an original box or anything like that, or authenticity card, so I'll tell you, it's from Chanel. I was watching Dawn Loves Couture and Yoda Style, and Caleb Snow. Oh my gosh, Caleb, you've got me looking at all the old bags. I shouldn't old bags, that sounds terrible. And all the more pre-loved older versions of things and realizing what beautiful things are out there that you can get at a fraction of the price. And so all that led to this. I don't think it had its original dust bag either. So it's nice. Fashionphile gives you this. My heart's pounding because I just can't imagine. This wasn't super expensive if I don't like it. Plus I could always return it. But I've been so happy with my Fashionphile purchases. Can barely see it in here because it's dark. Okay. Doesn't stink. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, so this is a Chanel. Let's see what it is here. Chanel patent jersey shoulder bag in dark brown. It has, this is jersey. There's one little flaw here. There's like a little hole here, just right there. I see a spot here and here that I'm thinking I could probably get out. It's got a patent leather bottom. It has feet. The bottom looks really good. The patent leather's good. Sometimes I know that can get icky or sticky or whatever, but this is all just really nice. It's got 2 patent leather straps. It's a nice size. I'll just kind of hold it and do we should start calling that, the ABS, the Autumn Beckman spin. So here's the front with the little hole there, the side, the feet. And what got me Not always a tote girl, but this seemed like it'd be pretty good. And then the top is patent leather with a zipper. What got me though was, oh my goodness. This has a leather interior and it is orange. It is orange. There is a zipper pocket here. The zipper, inside the zipper pocket, it's got like I guess that would be like a jersey as well. Or, yeah, this doesn't really feel like a jersey. It feels better than a jersey. No, oh, just nothing on that side bad. And then one big interior leather pocket. The interior is just clean as can be. And oh my gosh. Do I love this bag. Oh my gosh. So really, it's got just the one little mark there, which I can hold towards me. It's got just a nice shoulder strap here. It's not too big. It has a zipper to close it up. It's stuck on the Fashionphile tags. Works nice. This gorgeous orange leather interior. Oh my gosh, is that nice? And I paid, let's see, $430. So I have a Chanel bag that's partially leather. The majority of it's leather in basically very good condition. I'd say excellent except for the little spot. Very understated. Does not say Chanel all over it. Let's see. It just has the CC on the little tag there. And other than that, that's it. Yeah, I think this is a 90s bag. But like I said, I'll put that in the description box below. I am so pleased. I am just so happy. I didn't know they made this. Looks like Chanel, I know, did the pink interiors for a lot, but apparently for a while they did brown and orange as well. So I am thrilled. All I can say is, like, thank you Yoda and thank you Dawn and thank you Caleb for just having me look at these things that I haven't before. And this is gorgeous. I am so excited. So I never would have looked at this if it wasn't for you guys kind of bringing them up and letting me know and saying to take a second look. Thank you so much. That's the video for today. I'll do a review on this sometime in the future. I am going to be trying to post now every Tuesday and Saturday. I'm sorry, every Wednesday and Saturday, just to get more posts, videos out there, and just trying to help grow the channel as well, show you a little bit more about what I have you get to know me and my bags a little more, and just thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being here. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below. I love my comments. I love answering them and getting to know you all a little bit better. I feel like this is a community that is so needed for those of us that we love these things but might not have anybody else around us that appreciates them. So thank you all for being here, and until next time, please remember to do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.